So you might have been used to right clicking on the taskbar and getting the cascade options or even the task manager. That stuff has just disappeared and it's completely gone.
Greetings everyone, this is Liku from Mamaja Technologies, and today I'll be showing you how to open the task manager effortlessly in Windows 11. So here I'm using the official stable version, which is, as we can see right here, it's version 21H2 always build 22.0.194. This was released on the 5th of October 2021. So I've seen most reviews that they say you cannot open the task manager as we used to do by right clicking the taskbar and going to task manager, and of which is true. I don't disagree, but the situation that I have with is that they don't show you how to quickly open the task manager without having to press Ctrl Alt and Delete to get it from here, which is here. But when I was fiddling around Windows 11 last night, because I was trying to ask myself, why would Microsoft make it so hard for us to open the task manager? And guess what? It's just right over here on the start button. Just right click it and here's the task manager and you're done. So from SlickQ, love, peace and happiness. Peace out.